there, I'm Elise Archer, visibility coach for purpose-driven leaders. And today I want to share with you how to create content for social media that actually turns into sales and revenue for your business. So if you're someone who's been really working proactively on creating more content to connect with your ideal customers, to help them get to know you, to generate new inbound leads, but you're not really getting the results you're looking for, I know how frustrating that can be. And maybe you're a business owner, maybe you're an entrepreneur, maybe you're a salesperson and you're in charge of generating new revenue and new inbound leads, and you've been really working on becoming more visible in your industry in order to create trust and build a relationship with your ideal clients when they're looking for what you do online. And you're feeling like, okay, something is missing. I'm putting this content out, but it's not really turning into the inbound opportunities that I was anticipating. Well, I want to share with you 3 things that you can start doing right now to turn that around. And it really, really all begins with having a strategy. And this is the key that I think will flip the switch for many of you who are kind of frustrated with maybe not getting the results you're looking for, is how closely have you looked at how your content that you're creating needs to align with your actual revenue goals. And so that's really the first key, is getting clear on what are your 90-day revenue goals, sales goals for your business. Now, I like to work in 90-day chunks in general, just because I find it helps you kind of have that shorter time frame and shorter runway where you're really, really focused on what can I accomplish in the next 90 days. So the first thing is get clear on what are the programs you want to fill, what's the revenue number you want to hit, what is the end goal for you, for your business in the next 90 days. And then the second thing is to actually get a content calendar created that supports those goals for the next 90 days. So I'm actually going to do a screen share and show you an example of what this looks like. But I highly recommend HubSpot has a great social media content calendar that you can download for free. If you just Google like HubSpot social media calendar, you can download it. Now you get on their mailing list and exchange, but I think it's really good. I've been using it for probably the past 3-ish months, and I'm going to show you mine. I've modified it a little bit, but what I've done, let me actually just hit share here. So what I've done is really gotten clear on, based upon my goals for my business, what is the type of content that I'm going to be creating over the next 90 days. And so as I record this, we are going into September of 2019. So I'm just going to show you what this looks like on mine, but I have every day here a different theme of my content, but it's always driving toward whatever the program is, or whatever the kind of the thing is that I'm trying to fill or get people excited about in my business for what I'm doing right now. So you'll see here, like as I record this video right now, this is actually this video, how to create content that sells for you. So I'm probably going to change the name a little bit from what I originally put in this. I planned this out about 90 days ago, but you can see here, it's like, here's what this looks like, and really mapping out what is the topic of the content I'm going to be creating in relation to what I want to promote. So for example, we have this live event coming up September 18th and 19th in Nashville that's about, personal branding and generating new, basically building a business based off of your reputation. And so some of this content leading up to it is about that. And I'll direct people to go check out that event as a result. But it's always just thinking about, how does the content that I'm creating serve the actual end goal of my business? So I hope that makes sense. And then the final step here, let me actually just stop the screen share. The final step is just to make sure that you have a good follow-up plan built to basically to convert new followers, new connection requests on LinkedIn, new mailing list subscribers into actual clients for you. So the fortune is really in the follow-up here, but it's making sure that as people start to follow you more, connect with you more, realizing that you need to take that conversation further, and you need to be following back up with them and asking them what prompted them to reach out and what they're looking for and how you can help. So those are the 3 steps. Get really clear on your 90-day revenue goals, create your content marketing calendar to help support those goals. And then the third thing is have a solid follow-up plan in place to generate those new inbound connection requests and followers into actual customers of yours. So that is it. It's very simple. It's the way I built a multiple six-figure coaching business several years ago. And it's been like the easiest and most sustainable way to generate new clients. So I hope that's helpful to you. If you want more information and more resources on how to do this, I have a free program that I did several months ago, a free 4-part workshop training series called the Video Confidence Workshop. So it's some about mindset, how do you show up more confidently on video, but then we also do a much deeper dive in how do you create videos that actually turn into business for you. So I will link that below. You are more than welcome to sign up for that, and I think that'll help you really take these concepts to the next level. So hope that helps. Sign up for that program. If it's speaking to you, again, it's totally free. So I think you'll get a lot of value out of it. And I will be back soon, as you have seen from my content calendar, with another video for you. Have a great day. Bye.